Hey YouTube, this is Mike, and I just wanted to come across to any of the potential 50/50 crowdfunding potential customers, members. What we're doing is we're making a special offer. If you sign up with us here on this YouTube link here, what we're going to do is we're going to include you in on our Rotator system, okay? We have a Rotator. We just created this. We have one person in here already, so just one as this right here starts. Just one, okay? This will be listed in the video or below the video description in this video. If you want to take action, you have to sign up using the Rotator link, okay? And once you sign up, we're going to put you in that Rotator, and we're going to allow you to get free traffic based off of this video's ranking positions in YouTube. We're very professional and knowledgeable on how to rank YouTube videos, so we're going to get tons and tons of free traffic, okay? Sign up. You can sign up at the base package price. It doesn't matter, which is $250 plus our one-time or monthly 6 months admin fee of $29. But we encourage you to sign up using our referral link below this video. It's our Rotator link, okay? So sign up there. This team is going to build even faster. We're one of the fastest growing YouTube videos on 50/50 crowdfunding, and if you want to take action and reap the benefits of our free traffic that's coming to this video daily, what we'll do is we'll put your capture page for 50/50 crowdfunding in the referral link, and it'll start going through the rotations, and possibly get some free signups with no effort on your part. Let our video do the selling for you. So what are you going to get? You're going to get one position in our Rotator link, okay? All I have to do is add a new Rotator, put you in here, manage Rotators, links, okay? We got this one, add a new link. All I have to do is put you right into the Rotator system, and we'll put your referral recruiting site, which is your duplicated site that the company gives you. You're going to get that once you sign up, and then we'll put you inside the program, and hopefully you'll grab a lot of traffic based off of our videos. Okay, our videos do rank pretty high in YouTube as of right now. Let's go to YouTube here real quick just to see where we at. And this is not even we're not even promoting a referral link. Okay, let's see, 50/50 crowdfunding. Let's see here. All right, actually we're number one. Okay, we're number one here. We're number one here. We're not number one here, but we're number one here. And we have another video in the 4th position. That's all right now we're trying to rank for. None of these are anything to do with 50/50 crowdfunding, okay? Except for these way here at the bottom. So that's not really a good position to be. You want to be at number one when people type in 50/50 crowdfunding. Just wanted you to see it for yourself. Right now we've got over 7,700. I'm at 7,000 views already. I did send some paid traffic to our videos to get it knowledgeable. Here we got 1,000 views here. But again, you know, if you want to be a part of the fastest growing YouTube videos on 50/50 crowdfunding and take advantage of our free traffic, I highly encourage you to join us up under the link below the description. And how to find that link is here's an example. When you click on the video, you'll probably see a link in here. This is not the referral link. This is my direct link. Even if you signed up under this link, that's fine, because we're going to put you in the Rotator. All you got to do is once you sign up, you give us a call and say, hey, Mike, I just signed up under your 50/50 crowdfunding. Please add me to the Rotator. So this rotating system here is what we're using. So that is it, my friends, and I will see you on the inside of 50/50 crowdfunding. Make it a great day. Hope to hear from you soon.